Okay, I wanted to show you a little bit about how to use Boom Cards at boomlearning.com. Now, if you go to boomlearning.com, you're going to see this banner up here which says, "Is your school impacted by COVID-19? You may be eligible for a free account." Now, this is going to give you the premium account until the end of June. Even if you are on a free account now, you can click this and get the premium account until June. You want to do this. This is an amazing program. But I just want to show you a few of the things that you can do on Boom Cards. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up here to the top and I'm going to click on Studio. Okay, now I'm in Studio. I've added some things onto mine. But the most important thing is to go down and to where it says Make Decks. So a game or a lesson that you do in Boom Cards is called a deck. So we're just going to click on Make Decks. And then I'm going to click on New Deck. That's going to have me create a new game. So here I have a blank canvas. Now I can do anything I want to this. This first card over here is the template card. Anything I put on this card will be on every card. So I'm going to go on down to card number 1. And first, I'm going to pull down some text. Now you can put anything you want on these cards. You can put pictures, and anything can be an answer. So let's just pretend I want to make some math problems. So I'm going to write 5 plus 5 equals, I'm going to make it really big, so I'm just going to highlight it just like you would in Word or anything. Change the size. Okay, then I'm just going to kind of drag this box so it's a little bit smaller. And now I have a problem. Now I'm going to come down here where it says fill in the blank. I'm going to drag that onto the board where I want it because I want them to put an answer right here. So I'm double tap that. I'm going to put in 10 because I want them to say 10. And I'm just going to click this ignore white space. That way if they put any spaces, it's still going to give them the correct answer. Exit out of that. I can drag my box, make it as big as I want. And now I have my first problem. Now I can check and see if it works by going up here to the top where it says Preview. Click that Preview button. I'm going to see how it would look. 5 plus 5 equals, I can put in my answer, type it in, and then push the check mark. I am right. Then I can click on the back button here in the corner, and I'm back to my problem. If I want to add a new slide, I go over here to the side, push the plus button, and I have a new slide. If I wanted to keep this same format, I could push this clone the selected card, and then I have the same problem again, and I could just go in and change the numbers and go in and change the answer. Now I have a whole new problem. Now, the amazing thing, like I said, about Boom Cards is anything can be an answer. So maybe I want to do something with money. So I'm going to go to Image, and you can click Upload and upload any image from your computer. I've already uploaded some images, so I'm going to go over here and find my coins. You see I've uploaded a lot of images. Okay, here's a coin. I have a dime. Just going to make it whatever size I want it to be. Dragging that handle. Going to grab another coin. Oh, here's a quarter. So I'm just going to drag that where I want it. Drag one more coin. How about a nickel? So now I have 3 coins. If I want to change the side, all I have to do is grab that corner handle, put it exactly where I want it to be. And I can either put some text in here and tell them what I want them to do. Touch the quarter. So I'm asking them to touch the quarter to see if they know what it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on each of these images. Now I don't want them to touch on the dime, so I'm going to go up here to where it says wrong and click on wrong. I do want them to touch the quarter, so I'm going to go up here and make that correct. I don't want them to touch the nickel, so I'm going to click on wrong. So now I have marked which one is the correct answer. Let's just preview that. Touch the quarter. There we go. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. Now the one thing that I like, especially working with special needs students, is you can actually add sound. And so all you have to do, drag the sound direction or the sound icon over here, drop it anywhere on the board, and then you can pick sounds to add to your boom card deck. What I have done is give instructions. So instead of it saying touch the quarter, I might say touch the quarter. I recorded myself and just uploaded it here so that they can hear it, and those that can't read can still do the lesson. Maybe you're wanting to do a history lesson and you're asking some questions such as a quiz. I can type in my question. For instance, we'll do something like, who was the first president? Got my question in here. I can click on this multiple choice bar, drag it down, and it's going to automatically put in 4 choices. And it already has some marked as correct. So I could put here George Washington. Over here I could put Abraham Lincoln. Over here I could put Ben Franklin. And we'll just do George Bush. So let's look how we'll look when we preview it. Now, it won't always be in this configuration. It may move it around. But let's see what happens if I picked George Bush.
Whoops.
Oh, it automatically tells me that's not the correct answer. Ah, now I've got the correct answer. And then it moves on to the next problem in the deck. There are so many different things you can do with boom cards. You can create lessons. You can create games, and it's really easy to use. There are lots of different tutorials that Boom Card has created and put on YouTube. So I just wanted to let you know a little bit about it and tell you to check it out because it's a great resource. Hey, have a great day.